Hi friends, today I am going to explain about handling multiple windows. Okay, so whenever you are testing the web application, assume that you have a link, and when you have clicked on that link, it displays the page in a separate window or page. And if you want to perform any actions in that opened window, what will be your approach? By default, WebDriver cannot navigate from one window to another window. So you need to use one of the methods to switch from one window to another. Suppose if you take this Gmail as, so if you try to click on this help, it will redirect to new page. When you click on privacy, it will be opening new page. When you click on terms, it will be opening new page. So by default, Selenium cannot handle all these methods internally. So I'll be explaining one of the most important two methods which will be handling the windows. One is get window. Suppose this is the parent window, so this will be loaded currently with one specific window ID. Suppose, and another method, second one is get window handles method. So get window handles means it returns the collection of all window IDs including the parent window also. That means it, when you try to click on this, it opened child windows. These are the child windows. So this is the parent window. For accessing this, we will be using get window handle method. For accessing child windows, we will be using, these are the child windows. So we'll be using the method get window handles method. So for accessing the get window handles method, there is one more. So each child window is having unique IDs. Every window, these child windows are having unique IDs. So we'll be using set interface for accessing all the windows, child windows. So here, how can we able to switch from parent window to child window? So if you remember, we have discussed in previous class like driver dot switch to dot window. So if you want to switch to another window means we'll be using the switch to method so that we can shift to child windows. So today's agenda is these four topics. So first I will be implementing this one, open parent and child windows. Let's get back to the Eclipse. So my tasks would be try to access the parent ID and also child windows IDs of these help, privacy and terms. Okay, let's get back to the code. Driver dot get window handles. Here the return type is string, so we need to store into the string. So now we are going to access the child windows, help, privacy and terms. So driver dot find element I dot here we are getting get multiple windows of child. This is for help, this is for privacy, and this is for temps. So I am accessing by using the relative XPath. Copy paste. This is for privacy. This is for terms and conditions. So after opening these three child windows, so privacy and terms and conditions and help. Okay, so this is the parent window, these are the child windows. So I will run the code and see, let us see the output once. Also there is one more method called set method is there. So we want to access all the IDs of this child windows, right? So for accessing all the child windows IDs, we need to use set method. driver.getWindowHandles. See, here the return type will be like set. Okay, so set all windows, all windows equal to. So here the get window handles method will be storing all the parent plus child windows IDs. Let us check this out. We need to import the set interface. So here I will write, we need to retrieve parent ID, right? This out. I will be showing the parent ID also. Sorry, this is not a string, so not a string. Okay, let us save and run the application once. First parent window opened, click on help, child windows open. So privacy and help. So there is a mistake in the temps. Let us check the code. Why the temps is not open? Yes, here. Let us run one more time. Parent window opened. Now opening all the child windows. So as I told that I will be showing the parent and the child IDs, right? So see, this is the parent window ID. That is this Gmail is the parent window ID. So this will be Windows get window handle method. So get window handles means it will be returning all the parent plus child windows IDs. See these three IDs plus parent window ID. Okay. So coming to the next part, this is done. Accessing Windows is done. So I will be explaining what is set, iterator and array list. So we have used the set method, right? So we can use array list also for window handles method. I will be showing one more way how to use this array list. Basically, array list is a dynamic array. Actually, this will be the Java util package. It will be providing more flexible alternate way to the traditional arrays. Suppose like in case of like ordered collection, it allows also the duplicates and accessing the indexes. And there are some methods also there like add and remove elements. If you want to get the size of the array list, dynamic sizing, we can use. So I'll be writing the syntax. Let us see. I will be commenting this one as for now. So this is a string. So browser browser windows equal to new array list. Here here array string. Here pass the driver dot get window handles. That's it. Now let's comment this one. Let us check whether we are getting the Windows browser window IDs or not by using the array list. So let us run the application once. Parent window. Now child windows will open. Let us get back to the console once. Yes, see here. So here also the same thing happened. Parent window IDs plus child windows IDs we are getting. So you can use the array list interface or set method. Both are same. So this is also done. So the next task would be iterator. We can also use the iterator. So iterator I will be explaining at the end. So the next task would be open all the parent and child windows. So we need to perform one action on child window and move back to the parent window. That means, so here what I will be doing is I'll be opening parent and child windows. On the child windows, I try to click perform one action. Suppose I try to click on community and close the application. In privacy policy, I try to click on this technologies and close the windows. After that, this child window will be opened as it is, and I will move back to the parent window and enter some text inside this. This is our task now. Let us implement. So here actually what is happening is the Windows IDs are storing in form of array list like 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can access by using the index. Okay, let us see driver dot. So we need to switch to child window, right? So we will be using switch method to dot. We, we are switching to window. So window. So here in BRW in this variable all the IDs are stored right, so we can able to access all the window IDs. So what I am doing is BRW dot C get method. I need to pass the index. So what here is I need to pass index, right? So suppose parent window is the 0 index. This is the first index. Privacy is the second index. 3 is the terms third index. So I am moving to second index privacy. So I will be passing that parent index ID. That's it. I will wait for 3 seconds, 2 seconds after moving to that window. As I said earlier that I will be performing one action. I need to click this technologies, okay, and close the window. So I'll be writing the code for that one. Driver dot find element by dot name. I can use the name dot. I will perform click action and driver dot close. I will be closing that window. So here I can take this text here. What I'm doing is move to privacy space and click technology on technologies and close the window. Now here move to another child window. That is help page. Okay, So I need to move to that window, right? So driver dot switch to dot window, and I will be passing the window index as 3. So I will wait for 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and after that I will perform one action. Driver dot find element by dot name dot click. So after performing, what I need to perform in help is I need to click on this community. Community and driver dot close that window. So last step, move to parent window and perform action. That means I will be moving to the parent window and I will enter some email ID inside this. Okay, so let us write the code for that one. Here I have written, sorry, browser window dot 3. Okay, now I need to move to the parent window. So driver dot switch to dot window to, so br w dot get of 0. 0 is the index number for parent. Okay, so I have moved back to the parent window, and here I am trying to perform one action on the user input field. Driver dot find element by dot name. Here we'll be using here we can use the name identify, perform send keys method, send keys. Here I will give next. I will be so driver dot close. I will be waiting some time for performing the action. Okay, let us run the application. Let us run the application. So parent window open all the child windows. So I think there is a error, I think. Hmm, okay, no such element exception for selector name technologies. Oh, sorry. Here I need to give link text. Community also link text. So here I will give 3 at least I will give 5 seconds. It will be okay. So let us run the application now. Parent window, 3 child windows open. Now you try to click on technologies and close the window. Next you try to click on community and close the windows. It will close the window, and now email ID will be entered in the input text field. That's it. So I'll be explaining the iterator, what is the purpose of iterator, and we'll be taking one small example. Okay. Driver dot window. So this will give parent plus child window IDs. Okay. So we'll be using the iterator. IT equal to dot all windows. Here. Okay. So here IT dot next. So it will move to the parent window. Actually, this method will help to get next index of the set. So when you are doing it.next, the control will go to the parent window. So what here is happening is, so whenever you want to have your set, that is, simply grab that iterator by calling the set object. So this is the parent ID it is grabbing. So if you want child, simply actually we need to store this into the string. string parent ID equal to, okay, next string child go to it dot next. So it will move to the child window. So here, so I need to go to the parent ID, right? After opening all the windows, switch back to parent window. So driver dot switch to dot window. That's it. So now this I have given three IDs. So after opening all these windows, I will again switch back to the parent window. So here I will be waiting for 3 seconds. So let us check whether it is working or not. So parent window open. Wait for 2 seconds. Now the child windows are open. It will navigate to parent window at last. Yes, that's it friends. Thank you.